Hello dear students, very good morning to you all. In today's class I start you one more important topic from the regular expressions, that is meta characters in regular expressions. As we know already, we write regular expressions to match. Why do we write regular expressions? In order to match the pattern, whether that pattern is there or no in the given string. One simple question to you. I am the interviewer and you are the student. I am asking you a very simple question. Dear student, do you know what are regular expressions? Why do we write in Python while working with strings? What is the expected answer from my side? Do you know? You need to tell the answer like this. Dear sir, we write regular expressions while working with the strings in order to match the pattern, in order to search the pattern, whether that pattern is there or no in the given string. That will be the answer for the question, why do we use regular expressions while working with the string? I hope I might have revised the topics for you. Now I start my today's class. What is the today's topic? Meta characters in regular expressions. Now you can see this caret symbol. You can see the dollar symbol. In square brackets 3 dots written by me. In square bracket caret and 3 dots. Afterwards RE star. You can see one more, RE plus, RE question mark, RE into bracket n comma, again flower bracket completes, RE into bracket into flower bracket n comma m. All these are regular expressions. A pipe symbol and B, backslash D in flower brackets n, backslash D n comma, that one we need to write in flower brackets, and flower brackets n comma n, capital D, backslash capital A, capital Z, slash and slash T. We need to know the meanings of all these regular expressions. These regular expressions helps us to match the pattern, whether that pattern is there or no in the given string. But all these meta characters, these are called meta characters. These meta characters we can use in regular expressions. First look at the example. I explain you first. What is the use of this caret meta character? It matches the given string at the beginning of a string. For example, see the example here. Caret 2bl has been written. Means whether that word starts with 2bl. If that word is starting with a 2bl, we will come to know that the student is from our BLD's College of Engineering and Technology. What we are doing, do you know? We have one string. In that string, n number of USN numbers are there. USN numbers of our students as well as USN numbers of other college students also, and USN numbers of our students begins with 2bl. Then how shall I match? Then I use this regular expression, caret 2bl. It matches 2bl at the starting of the given string. Wherever it matches, you can extract and you can print it. Similarly, what is the use of this dollar? It matches the given pattern not at the beginning. Instead of beginning, it matches at the end of a string. See the example, hi dollar. That means this is the pattern. This is what we call a regular expression. It matches hi at the end of a string. Means one word needs to end with hi. The word that is going to end with hi, that one we extract, or that one we take inside another variable and we can use it for further use. And see the third regular expression. It matches any single character in brackets. Here dot I have written. Dot might be any of the character. See the example. Here I have written capital H as well as small h. That means it matches any single character. Means afterwards I have written ELLO. That means this regular expression will search for the pattern capital H then ELLO. That means it matches hello also, that begins with capital H. And it matches with small h also. It matches with the hello, that matches with small h also. That means at once we are trying to search the pattern hello only, that may begin with capital H or that may begin with small h. In such a situation, we need to write the regular expression like this. I hope you understood. It matches any single character from the given brackets. See the next one. Here caret symbol has been used. Already we know the use of it. Caret means what? It matches any single character which is not present in brackets. Which is not present in brackets. Which is not present. See here. See the example. A, E, I, O, U I have written. It matches anything other than lowercase vowel. Understood all of you? One string is there. Now this is a string. Matches. Whether in this word A is there, it will not match. A is there, it will not match. It matches any single character which is not present in brackets. Okay, like this, these all the regular expressions will work. Before that, I would like to explain the programs so that you can understand all these regular expressions. See one simple program first so that you can understand. What is the first program? Do you know? Meta characters in regular expression. As we know already, in order to work with regular expressions, we need to import the module RE. Already we know the use of search function available in RE module. Search function from that RE module will search for the pattern, whether that pattern is there or no in the given string. But here we use the regular expression. Now just I am checking whether this string starts with 2BL. See here. Already just only I explained the use of this caret symbol. What is the use of this caret symbol? It matches the given pattern at the beginning of string. That is what the use of this meta character. See the programming example. Whether this string starts with 2BL. In order to write the regular expressions, you need to write small r. Yes, it begins with 2BL. That's why if else has been used here. If this string matches with 2BL, then it displays the message found. See the output, found is there. See here, one more if else has been used by me, and once again I am checking the same thing. Whether this string starts with 2BL, no, it starts with 3ZL. That means else part is going to work. That means not found. That means once you run this program, what will be the output? Found for this if else, not found for the second one. This is how we can use the regular expressions while writing the Python programs. I hope you might have understood. I explain you. I run the program practically and I will show you. Okay, dear students, come back. Already I have written one Python program for you. The same program whichever I explained. I saved the file with meta.py. I have written the comment for you. Meta characters in regular expression. And I am importing the RE module so that I can use the search function. This is what the given string. Whether this string begins with 2BL, that is what I am checking. That's why I get the result as found. If else has been used here. One more if else has been used here. Again the same thing. Whether this string begins with 2BL, if so, found. Otherwise not found. What is the expected output? Found for the first if else, not found for the second if else. Let us run the program and check the output. Run and run module. Yeah, found and not found. This is how to make the use of regular expressions in Python. I hope you understood. Very good. See one more example, very interesting example. You may get such questions in VTU main examination. This is a program to extract a date from given string. One string is given to you in question paper. Hello, my name is Chidanand S. Kusur. I joined BLD's College of Engineering and Technology on 29/12/2005 and my work experience is 15 years. And I want to extract only the date from this string 29/12/2005. Sometimes I want to extract only year. Then how shall I extract only the year or the date? Then I need to write the regular expression. See here. In order to extract the date, I have written one regular expression. And then how do you identify whether the date is there or no in this string? First of all, 2 digits will be there, one hyphen. Then 2 digits will be there, then hyphen. Then 4 digits will be there. Then how to write that regular expression? See the regular expression. First R has been written, then single quote, \D. In flower bucket 2. That means it searches for 2 digits followed by hyphen. And this hyphen must be followed by another 2 digits. Again that must be followed by hyphen. Again this hyphen must be followed by 4 digits. If the given string is having any such patterns, it will extract and that will be stored in result 1. That means in this given string we have only one pattern like this: 2 digits followed by hyphen, 2 digits followed by 4 digits. That means result 1 will be having the date. See, here I am printing date of appointment is result 1. What is the output? Date of appointment is so and so. I hope you understood. Then how to extract the year? Now can you tell me? Now the same string I have taken. Hello, my name is Chidanand S. Kusur. I joined so and so. But this time I want to extract only the year. I want to extract only the year. Then how to search? Again, regular expression are in single quote. I am searching 4 digits /d compulsory. I am searching a digit which needs to have compulsory how many digits? 4 digits. That means only one pattern we find like that, 2005. That 2005 will be stored in result 2. I am printing apartment year is result 2. See the output, apartment year is 2005. This is how to extract the date or the year or any other pattern related to the digits. This is what all about the /d. Then how many digits you are trying to match, that one you need to write, followed by any other character or symbol also. This is how we make the use of our intelligence and we write the program. Okay, see one more program. This is very interesting. I will run this program and I will show you first. I run this program. Okay, dear students, come back. Already I have written the program named dateextract.py. I have written the comment, a program to extract date as well as year from the given string, and I am trying to import the RE module. Result 1 and result 2 are the two variables, and re.findAll, it will search for that pattern in the given string. This is a function. Afterwards I have written, I am trying to search that pattern that needs to start with 2 digits followed by hyphen, followed by 2 digits followed by hyphen, followed by 4 digits from this string. Hello, my name is so and so. I have written the comment. Okay, here we find only one pattern like this, 29/12/2005. Then again the same thing, I am trying to search that pattern. That pattern starts with digits compulsory continuously. It needs to have 4 digits. Like that we have 2005. That is that will be extracted. That will be stored in result 2, and I will print result 1 as well as result 2. Let us run the program. Run and run module. See here, date of appointment is so and so, apartment year is so and so. This is all about how to extract the digit pattern from the given string. I hope you understood. Okay, very good. See one more example. A program that validates a mobile number. The number should start with 7 or 8 or 9 followed by 9 digits. Okay, this one I explain in the next video. In the next video I explain this program and one more program, as well as I explain you the remaining regular expressions. I hope in today's class you have come to know about what is regular expression or what are regular expressions, how to make the use of these regular expressions while working with the strings in order to search the pattern, in order to match the pattern. If that pattern is there, you can take further decisions. This is all about meta characters in regular expressions. Thank you. In the next video I explain you the remaining meta characters with some examples. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.